Hello everybody, this is Lila in Hawaii. I'm going to try and be fast because there's been a lot of noise outside and I wasn't able to film anything. Anyhow, I was going to show you a couple of things. First of all, this is an inspiration kit I have recently completed, and I thought I'd show you the contents because sometimes it's hard to see them when they're still pictures. So this is a kit with pockets, and inside I put all kinds of bits and pieces to inspire you, tags and glassine bags with stamps and different things. The cover is like this, and it's tied with seam binding, and I put one of those antique tags that I stamped on the cover, and it's one of those bulb pins, I think they're called. So when you open it up, inside there are a number of pockets, and each pocket has a number of items in it. So the one on the left has, this could be a bookmark, and the bookmark has a tag inside there, and it's all French themed. And then this one is a large tag, also with another tag inside. It's a pocket. Here I put a glassine envelope I should say, or bag, and it has a bunch of old, I had a set of old book plates, different ones, so there's about 8 book plates in there, and some stamps, foreign stamps, and some of those little tags that I altered like that. So those are all in that glassine envelope. This glassine envelope has a little, all the little glassine envelopes are antiques, and this one has a little from a French newspaper, little tag I made with one of those little bulb things on it. This is a sheer bag, and it has, I didn't put anything on the tag, but there's a tag inside, so you can write on that and do your own thing with that. This is another antique little envelope. It's just the envelope, and this is another one, just a coin envelope, just the envelope, and one has New York, London, and Italy on those different ones. So they all fit in on the left-hand side here, under here. On this side, I'll start off by showing you, first of all, in the bottom part here, let's see if there's anything else. I made a sort of a glassine bag. It has a label in there, and then I added glitter. There's green glitter in that glass glitter, and I sewed it all together. So that's nice. Then there is a folder like this with envelopes, and inside, I won't pull them all out, inside each envelope I've done stamping, and there are tags. I think there's looks like there's 6 tags, 3 on each side of the envelope, and it has some old lace. And this is my favorite part. This is a book I made, and I used all black and white photographs or pictures or clip art. Some of them I drew myself, and the book has a pocket, an old linen pocket in the front with a tag in there. And on this side, the pages, I think there are 20 pages altogether. This page has a drawing I did, and I edged the pages with old French script there. And then in between the pages, I put sheer, I forget what this was. It was like, it's antique anyway. It's some sort of a sheer, not tissue, but some other stuff. I just forget what it's called. Anyway, I have a whole pad of it. And there again, there's another sketch. Butterfly. More of that between each page. As I said, I tried to put some of that tissue. So, and there's an envelope with a tag inside and some stamping on it. Another black and white. I wanted to keep it all black and white. And there's a quote here, right on these center pages. And then a birdie. It was clip art. French. And on this one there's a quote down the side of the page. And here's a rose. And another quote. And there are numbers on a lot of the pages. This is from antique stationery I had. And then in the back there's this. And that's a book, which is basically an empty book for you to add your own writings to, memories or whatever. And they all fit nicely in there. I won't stop and put the others in there, but then it closes up and ties with that. So that's that one. And then I was just going to show you for fun something I did, just an idea that you may have. If you paint like I do, sometimes my paintings, no, I don't like them. Something happens, they don't look good. So what I did, I had this painting of a French chateau, and this is only part of it. So I picked it up and I just cut it up with the scissors, and then I made bookmark tags with them. So these are all parts of the chateau that I didn't like, but it's still a painting. I think they look a whole lot better now than the original. The original was a little weird. The other thing I wanted to show you is, don't forget this. This is my giveaway this month, and it's the English cottage with some hand-dyed lace around it. So you have 4 more days to do this, and then I'm going to draw a number, and I'll let you know on my website. So keep watching, but you still have time to enter. You have 4 more days to do that. And it has the postcard backing, as I showed you before. And then next month, I've already painted some other cottages, and so next month I'll do something different and put another cottage up as a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.